back to the beautiful beach of Cinnamon Bay in St. John. Let's begin our hips and thighs workout. Stand up nice and tall. Take a deep squat and stretch your leg out to the side. Deep squat and alternate legs. That's it. This is a fabulous way to reshape the outer thighs as well as slim down those hips. So sit back and then stretch the leg out. Sit back, then stretch the leg out. This is right where it counts, right here, right where we need that extra help. That's it. At least I do. Those outer thighs, my problem area. How about you? Good. Take it down and stretch it out. This is so good. It really target tones the outer thighs and slims those hips. Sit back though. Think about good posture, good technique, quality. Make sure you're going nice and deep and sitting back. Good. Think about good form, good technique. Great. That's it. We'll reshape those thighs to a beautiful size. Lengthen, long, lean legs. That's it. Great. Body shaping, sculpting. Great. Two more, just like that. Really use the outer thighs. Lift those legs. We got last one. Lift the leg out. Come on. Lift it out. Wonderful. Now down and pull it across for the inner thighs. Down. Pull it across. Take it down. Pull across. That's it. Really use your inner thighs now. Great for the inner thighs. Slimming down all the areas of your legs. This is great for the inner thighs. No more jigglies. Yes. Exactly where we're getting it. Down there in the inner thigh. Great. Two more. Really sit back though. The sitting back is a great exercise. One of the fastest ways to reshape the bottom half. Cellulite-free thighs. Yes. That's what we're all reaching towards. Our goal. Two more. You can do it. Last one. Great. Okay, now straddle your legs in a nice, good lunge position. You're going to take it down and lift it back up. Take it down, think good posture, and up. Great. Now notice my front knee is in a 90-degree angle. Think good form on this one. That's it. You're not leaning forward. That's not what I'm doing. I'm going down as if the tailbone's reaching down and reaching back up. That's it. Great. Got two more here. Last one. Great. Okay, switch legs. The other leg comes forward. Think about good form. Legs apart, nice and straight. Hips forward. Take it down, down, and lift back up. Excellent. Good. Think good form. Good. If you want to reshape those legs and you really want to give nice definition to those thighs, lean out your legs. This is a great exercise. Probably the best one, the finest one. Good. Tried, true, and proven exercise to really reshape those legs, the hips. Okay, take it down. Remember, your back is straight, stomach is in. Zip it up like a corset, your abs. That's it. Pull it up and in. We'll make our own natural corset, holding our abs in naturally. Great. The more you practice pulling that center in, the core of your body, your abs, the more naturally you'll stay flat. You'll look great in those midriffs. Yes. Two more. Last one and release. Shake out those legs. Now we're going to firm the back of those thighs. Take it down and squeeze it back. Take it down, squeeze those tushies too. That's it. Squeeze. That's great. This is working the back of the thighs. Now we've targeted all the areas of your legs. That's it. Good. Really think good posture. And lean slightly forward so that leg lifts up. And squeeze. That's it. Great. Really feel it back there. Squeeze. Wonderful. You can do it. Reshape those legs. Last one. And hold it there. Hold it there. Lift the leg. Lift the leg. Nice arabesque. Hold, hold. Balance. And great. Standing up exercises are very effective because you know why? You're working the leg that you're standing on too. Again, giving you the maximum benefits for the minimum time. That's it. All these exercises are targeted. They're specifically designed to get in there to the back of your legs. That's it. Squeeze the buttocks. You got it. Squeeze that rear. Good. Keep it up. You can do it. Just a few more. It's worth it. You'll reshape the back of those legs. No more cottage cheese look. Last one. And hold it there. Hold it there. Great. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Keep going. I'll be right back. Welcome back to the beautiful Virgin Islands. We're here on St. John, and it's time to begin our cool down. Start with a great stretch, leaning up and over, feeling the length through the spine. That's it. Look up and stretch the sides of the waistline. That's it. Feel that stretch. Take time each day for a couple minutes of stretches, and lift up and over to the other side. Lift all the way up, look up, 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 up. Feel the length through the spine, great for the waistline. That's it. And turn to the side now. Stretching those legs, the quadriceps, we used them today. Yes, we did, on our hips and thighs workout. So let's lengthen those legs, stretch those legs, limber them up. So they're nice and flexible. That's it. And slowly come back up. Hold, hold, hold. Great. Bringing that leg towards your chest now, pulling up in the knee. That's it. And slowly release. And now to the other side. First of all, the quad stretch. Hold that stretch. Lifting now as high as you can. Doing the best that you can. Always in great position. Good balance. You got it. And slowly come up. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Knees together if you can. Stretch it out. Great. Now bring your knee towards your chest. Stretch the back of those legs back here. That's it. Great. And release. And now let's stretch your inner thighs. Legs come apart and stretch to the side. And feel the length through the inner thighs. All through here. So good for your inner thighs. Can you balance? Hold that stretch, and now shift your weight to the other leg. Feel the inner thighs lengthening, stretching. Beautiful, long, lean legs, sculpted and shaped. That's it. And turn to the side, and let's stretch out through the legs, all the way through the groin area, the thighs. Great for leg circulation, preventing those varicose veins. That's it. Good. And stand up nice and tall. Turn to the other side. Stretch it out. Oh, it feels so good. Stretching is a wonderful way to relax the body. If you ever feel tightness or stiffness, stretching will help you, because circulation is what heals your body. So if you ever have a tenseness feeling, just stretch and it will help. Instant benefits. That's it. Hold it up. Great. And come all the way up now. And stretch with your toe up this time in your inner thigh. Toe up. Great. Hold it out there. The other toe comes up. Stretch it a different muscle of your leg or the inner thighs. Keeping your stomach in, back straight. Always zip up those abs. Great. Keep stretching. I've got a lot more. Don't go away.